Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONCS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you'd normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above the 63-cent mark. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 63, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above that area, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 63 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Overall, the nothing fancy here. Main point of price congestion seems to be right up around 72 cents. I get it, the price did go up above there a couple instances, but there are also other instances where the price didn't quite go up that high. So 72 is going to be kind of that general area where that, certainly seems to be the key battleground that will need to be broken up above. All in all, though, resistance levels really don't matter that much. Why do I say that? Well, what matters is what this price has already been doing, and that is this right here. As long as the price keeps on building these higher lows, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, that is the name of the game. So just focus on building those higher bases and sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.